Hello everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to my new vlog. At least that's how I would call it. Today I have something really cool here to show you, to share with you guys, and I'm so excited about it. So this is my brand new computer that I've built completely by myself with my own money and everything. And this is actually the first time that I've built a computer completely by myself without anyone's help. So I'm very proud of it so far. And this video is more gonna be like me talking about my new computer. It's not really going to be unboxing or review or whatever because it's already unboxed and everything. There is no point. So without further talking, let's just get right into it. Alright guys, so here it is. This is my brand new ARGB setup that I've been working on for the last few days, and honestly this is like a dream come true. It's really beautiful and it looks freaking awesome. I always wanted to have an ARGB setup. I already have RGB LEDs on my ceiling and everything is pretty much glowing in LEDs around my room. So it's really nice to have this added to my room. It just adds so much beauty to it, and I'm really proud of myself with this and what I've done here. So the thing that shines the most is definitely the case of this computer. The case is Antec NX300. It's a very quality case. I'm not gonna go all over it. Like I said, this is not a review video, but the case is really nice. It has two 2.0 USB slots and then one 3.0 slot on the case, together with the button for changing color and lightning modes for ARGBs on your back ventilator and the front panel. The back ARGB ventilator comes with the case and it looks really cool. I really love all the different mods that you can change with that button, or all the different colors. If you're wondering what's the difference between RGB and ARGB, the difference is that ARGB is capable of showing multiple colors in the same time, while RGB is capable of showing only one color at a time. So it really is a huge difference between ARGB and RGB. ARGB just looks so much better. The case has side window panel, and this is a real tempered glass. It's not plexiglass or whatever, it's a real tempered glass, and it's really nice. You can see all of your components through it, which is exactly what I wanted to have on my computer. There is a lot of space in this mid-tower case. So this is a mid-tower case. It's not the full tower case, it's mid-class, and it still has a lot of space. Behind there is a black panel that's closed completely, and there are two slots at the side for SSDs, and then there are two like little shelf sliding slots for HDDs, and that's where my 2 by 1 terabyte HDDs are located, and one of my 120 gigabytes SSD is at the side. So it's really nice how you can hide your disks. They're not visible at all through this glass, and they fit really nice behind. So yeah, there is this magnet netting at the top of your computer for collecting dust. You can remove it anytime you want and wash it, so it's pretty cool. Under the case, which I didn't record, is another one of these nettings, sort of, for the power supply, and it has the same purpose as the top one, but it's much smaller and it's not a magnetic. You can just attach it on the little hooks. And yeah, that's so far everything about this case. It's pretty awesome. I love it for what it is. It really is beautiful. Now, I already reviewed my RX 5600 XT that is in this computer. I purchased it a few months back, and there is already a review of it on my channel, so you can check it out if you want. It's 6 gigabytes GDDR6 graphics card. It's also Asus AMD. My motherboard is BF450 gaming. Also Asus. It's also lighted up and it shines. The logo of Republic of Gamers is shining, changing colors, so it looks really beautiful as well. What I forgot to mention, the best part of this case is that the RGB lights are connected directly to the power supply, so you don't have to buy any connectors or whatever, which is perfect for me because I don't have any 3-pin ARGBs on my motherboard, so I have to connect my ARGBs from the case on the power supply directly. That's pretty much it. There's nothing much to say about it. It's a DDR4 ATX format motherboard. Then my RAM memory is HyperX Kingston Fury 2x8 gigabytes kit, 2.6 gigahertz speed. All of these lights glow without any additional software, but you can install something called Aura Sync, and then you can choose the different colors there and set it up the way you want. But in my opinion, it's totally unnecessary. I love it the way it is already. Now my CPU, well, that's the upgrade that costed me the most on this PC. It's Ryzen 7 3700X. It's a 3.6 gigahertz base clock, and it can go above that with overclocking, which is something I don't recommend doing to anyone, and I wouldn't do it either. I have much more frames in the games. I have around 80-90 frames on all highest settings in squad on 1080p resolution, which definitely wasn't possible in a previous with a previous setup. So this CPU is just really good. It's fast, it's very powerful, and that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, then go ahead and leave a like, share, comment, or subscribe if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It's totally okay. You can also join my Chris Facebook group. I post all kind of stuff over there. Link is down below in the description. And yeah, guys, let me know down below in the comments what are your opinions and thoughts on my new ARGB setup. I really love it. It's phenomenal. I'm really proud of myself and what I did here. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you for all of your support and everything you've done for me and my channel so far. You're amazing, guys. I love you, and I'll definitely see you in the next video. Chris out.